What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com. I'm going to do a quick little week review of what we got up to, the S&P, some of the trade alerts that we put out. It's been a wild one. S&P, you can see it just is having a really hard time keeping its head above water. We had that one sort of little intraday relief rally, snap back right off of that 200-day simple moving average on Tuesday. But it's just been an epic fail. Wednesday, Thursday, and today, Friday, just selling off, getting low. And we've got this really nice, big, deep, beautiful, perfect looking bearish flag. If this thing breaks down, we could see a very deep breakdown. I was calling on Twitter about a week and a half ago that we're looking at 2,700 support for the S&P 500, and that's just simply based on this little level right back through here, and the times that price action was tested back through here. I'm thinking that if this little trend line support level breaks, if this bear flag plays itself out, 2,700 support on the S&P can it'll literally go by the wayside. I'm actually starting to think potentially if this is a really deep move to the downside, if this is a proper correction, we'll actually see maybe this entire gap get filled. And I was picking this level because if you look back in April and May, you can see that there is some accumulation and a little bit of volatility through here with the S&P. And so, you know, one thing that I go over is how to measure a potential move. And if we were to measure this flagpole just from this peak down to this swing low, and just take that and put that on the breakout point, you can see that it's almost perfect. And this bear flag could break down, and we could see 25.77 support on the S&P in the next little while. Depends how bad it gets out there. Now, with that said, even though the S&P is not doing particularly well for the bulls, we still have had some really nice calls through our trade alerts, and a lot of stuff is playing out. Now, for example, today we had Disney break out of a range that I called for a few days ago, and today was the day. You can actually see right here that it's up 2.5 points, which is 2.23% on the day. Pretty big for Disney, pretty big if you're trading options on this. On the swing trade side of things, I actually called this out in a trade alert back here at 111.94 a few weeks ago. Completely smashed that, hit target. Our traders were selling that. It did sell off, and as price action approached that 117.75, I was saying breakout. Today, boom, it broke out. So the markets are soft, yes, but the stocks that our team is looking at is quite strong. And so Disney has done well historically for us. You can see that our traders were taking advantage of this movement up. We didn't short it, and then you can see right through here that it was hitting that 117.75 level again. Another one on a very short-term intraday basis was Starbucks, something else that I called out. And, you know, today and yesterday are both inside days. This was our breakout candle. We broke out, excuse me, of that 57.82 level. And again, that was the level that we were calling for in the trade alert. So it was really just a one-day pop. My primary target, I was actually looking for the top of this test. It barely got there. And so when we saw some weakness the following day, which was yesterday, it was suggested strongly that our traders that were in Starbucks let this thing go. But you can see again, called it out, boom, had a nice big intraday move, and that's what was being done on Starbucks and on the option side of things. For the low float players out there, TTNP is something that we called out not too long ago, and it was kind of a bit of a sleeper. It really didn't do anything, and then all of a sudden yesterday it decided to punish resistance, and it just went for a tear. Now this was a 25-cent stock when we called it out, but you can see that it saw a high of 45 cents. So when this thing actually broke out from resistance to today's high, it had moved almost 66% in 2 days. And so a lot of the guys in our community with smaller accounts were hitting TTNP, and this was, again, another great trade. On the day trade side of things, I mean, CCCL yesterday up 396% over 2 sessions. A lot of our guys off of the J. Lewis Trading intraday scan were finding stocks like triple CL and hitting it and making a ton of cash. PTI was another one that was up 417% yesterday, and there were a few traders in the community that were hitting that as well, using that J. Lewis Trading prop scan that we got. So just wanted to do a quick review for you guys. This is essentially what we got up to this week. If you have any questions, feel free to email me directly. My email address is just in the link below, info@jlewistrading.com. If you want to join us in Ask a Trader and receive video alerts to get in front of some of these trades, just like these ones, there's also a link below. Feel free to get on board with us and join the team and see what we're doing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn that notification on. And please, comments if you have any. Leave them in the comment box below. I want to hear what you're saying and what you guys are thinking. If you have any questions, by all means, drop a question in the comment box, and I will personally get back to you. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in next week's review.